Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 2nd of June, 2nd of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Which ministry is organizing a series 5 webinars on Be with Yoga, Be at Home, which has become the first small finance bank to offer NRI customers the easy of account opening online? What is the name of the portal that has been launched by Karnataka to provide comprehensive details on the CSR activities in the state? Which country will launch a mobile tech platform Unite Aware in August this year that will provide the training related information to United Nations peacekeepers? Which bank has launched the digital banking solution SmartServe and IntelSign for its cooperative customers? Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court? Who is the author of the book Asia and Asian Geopolitics, the Past Present? Which ministry has launched the Service Health Assistance Teleconsultation OPD portal? Who is the author of the book Buddha in Gandhar? Which drug company of India has pact with US based Eli Lilly and Company to manufacture and produce baricitinib in the country for the treatment of COVID-19? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So which ministry has launched? Ayush Ministry has launched Be with Yoga, Be at Home. Which is the small finance bank to offer NRI customers? This is Equitas Small Finance Bank. Where is the headquarters? Chennai is the headquarters. What is the name of the portal that has launched by Karnataka? The name is Akansha. Which country will launch a mobile tech platform Unite Aware? It is India. India has launched a mobile platform Unite Aware. Which bank has launched SmartServe? This is HSBC, which is based in London. Who has been appointed Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court? The name is Prashant Kumar Mishra. Who is author of the book Asia and Asian Geopolitics? The book has been written by Shiv Shankar Menon. Sehat OPD. This is Sehat OPD, launched by the Defense Minister. So this is 9, 10. Who is author of the book Buddha in Gandhar? Sunita Trivedi. Which drug company is this? This is Cipla. So let's discuss our today's current affairs. Which city has been named India's most expensive city for foreign workers according to 2021 cost of living survey by consultancy firm Mercer? So if we talk about globally, then Turkmenistan's capital Ashgabat has topped, is the first in the world, is the most expensive city in the world. And if you talk about India, Mumbai is the most expensive, which is ranked at 78th, and second is New Delhi, which is around 117 rank, and Bengaluru is also, which is around 170, and fourth is Chennai. So all the four cities are most expensive in India. And if you talk about globally, Turkmenistan's capital Ashgabat is the most expensive city in the world to 2021 cost of living survey of consultant for the foreign workers. Which ministry has released a detailed project report of LIDAR based survey of forest areas in 10 states? So this is Ministry of Environment. So Prakash Javadekar has released this detailed project report for 10 states, and the states are, by the way, this all the 10 states are not important for exam concern, but the 10 states are Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Nagaland, and Tripura. These are the 10 states which are related for detailed project report. Who is the Ministry for Environment Minister? Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar is the Minister for Environment. Who is the author of the book Fiercely Female, The Duty Chand? So the book has been written by Sandeep Mishra. Sandeep Mishra has written this book on Duty Chand. She is the 100-meter runner. She playing for 100-meter. And if we talk about Duty Chand, she is from Odisha. And she has received Chhattisgarh Virni Award. She has received Chhattisgarh Virni Award. You can remember this. And Hima Das, Dhing Express. She is from Assam. You can remember this. She is from Assam. So Sandeep Mishra has released the book on Duty Chand story. Who has been honored with the highest civilian award of Mongolia? What is the capital of Mongolia? Ulaanbaatar. The Order of Polar Star. And so who has been honored this? R.K. Sabharwal. R.K. Sabharwal has been honored with the highest civilian award for Mongolia, and capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. Who is this Soma Mondal? Chairman of SAIL. Leteku, which has been exported to Dubai from Guwahati, is a variety of grapes. So Leteku is a variety of grapes which has been exported to Dubai from Guwahati. Paisabazar.com and which bank has jointly launched the Step Up credit card product? So this is SBM Bank. So Paisabazar.com and SBM Bank have jointly launched the Step Up credit card products. Name the Indian archery who has won the gold medal in the individual compound archery at the Archery World Cup Stage 3. So who has won? So the name is Abhishek Verma. Abhishek Verma has won the gold medal in the individual compound archery. Who is the chairman for archery? Who is the minister? His name is Arjun Munda. The Minister for Tribal Affairs, the former Chief Minister of Jharkhand Tribal Affairs, and his constituency is Khunti in Jharkhand. He was the former Chief Minister of Jharkhand. You can remember this. And who is the present Chief Minister of Jharkhand? His name is Hemant Soren. Which state has signed an MOU with British government under the Act for Green program? So which is the state? The state is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra government has signed a MOU with British government. Maharashtra signed a MOU with British government. If you talk about Maharashtra, who is the Chief Minister? Uddhav Thackeray. Who is the Governor? Bhagat Singh Koshyari. He is the governor for Goa also. And Dipankar Datta is the Chief Justice of Maharashtra High Court. And recently they have launched a Corona free competition. Free competition has been launched by the Maharashtra government. Who is the author of the book The Light of Asia? The Light of Asia book has been written by Jairam Ramesh. Jairam Ramesh has written this book, The Light of Asia. Don't confuse the name Jairam Ramesh with Jairam Thakur. Jairam Thakur is the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. Twitter has appointed whom as new grievance officer. So the name is Jesse Con. Jesse Con. No. Sorry. Jeremy Kessel. Jeremy Kessel has been appointed the grievance officer for India by Twitter. It's from by Twitter. And who, if I ask you for WhatsApp, it's Paresh Lal. Paresh Lal. WhatsApp has appointed Paresh Lal as its new grievance officer for India. Who has won the gold medal in women's category 25-meter air pistol event at the ISSF World Cup shooting in Croatia? So who has won? It's Rahi Sarnobat. Rahi Sarnobat has won the gold medal in women's 25-meter pistol event at the ISSF World Cup shooting in Croatia. When do we observe the National Doctors Day? So this day is observed on 1st of July. 1st of July is observed as the National Doctors Day as well as SBI Day, State Bank of India, and 1st of July is observed as the birth anniversary of B.C. Roy. B.C. Roy. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated how many bridges in 6 states and 2 union territories built by the BRO, Border Road Organization. So Defense Minister has inaugurated 63 bridges in 6 states. 63 bridges in 6 states and in 2 union territory. And Border Road Organization has appointed Vaishali Hivase as a deputy. Vaishali Hivase, she is a police from Maharashtra. She is a sub inspector from Maharashtra. You can remember this. That's Vaishali Hivase has been appointed by Border Road Organization. So these were the current affairs of 2nd of July. See you on 3rd of July.